You don't need to be everywhere. You need to be where your audience is. One of the biggest mistakes in digital PR is trying to maintain a presence on every platform and ending up diluted, inconsistent, or ignored. In this lecture, you will learn how to identify where your audience spends their time, what kind of content they engage with, and how to match your PR strategy to the platform that fits best. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to identify key differences between major social platforms and their optimal uses in PR. Identify the right platforms based on your audience and message. Avoid wasting effort on the wrong channels. Different platforms, different strengths. Let's break down the major players in the social PR world and what they're best suited for. LinkedIn, ideal for B2B audiences, thought leadership, industry news, professional reputation, and press releases with business impact. Instagram, great for visual storytelling, product features, behind the scenes content, and partnering with lifestyle influencers. TikTok, the go to for brand awareness among younger audiences, viral campaigns, and raw, personality driven content. Twitter, X best for real time updates, media relations, breaking news, and public dialogue. Journalists and policymakers are active here. Facebook, still valuable for event promotion, community building, and certain demographics, especially older or local audiences. YouTube, long form storytelling, brand documentaries, explainer videos, and consistent audience building. You don't need all of them. You need the right ones, based on your goals and who you're trying to reach. Know your audience first. Before deciding where to tell your story, be clear on who it's for. The right message on the wrong platform can fall flat. Ask yourself, who are we trying to reach? Demographics, profession, interests. Where do they spend time online? Each group has its digital hangouts. What kind of content do they engage with? Text, video, visuals. What tone and style resonate? Formal? Casual? Humorous? Data-driven? For example, a fintech startup looking to attract investors or financial analysts should prioritize LinkedIn for credibility and networking, and X, Twitter, for timely updates. A wellness brand aiming for Gen Z should focus on TikTok for trends and short-form videos, and Instagram for lifestyle visuals. A nonprofit spreading awareness around a cause might benefit most from Instagram's visual storytelling, YouTube's depth, and press coverage to add credibility. PR isn't just about broadcasting. It's about joining the right conversations where they're already happening. Platform versus purpose. Each platform serves a different communication purpose. A one-size-fits-all approach rarely works. Align your message with the medium. Launching a new product? Use Instagram or YouTube for visuals, and back it with a press release for credibility and reach. Handling a crisis or misinformation? Go to X, Twitter, for immediate updates, and use your website for an official, detailed statement. Sharing company values or insights? Thought pieces on LinkedIn, blog posts, or media interviews work well to shape your narrative. Covering a live event or behind-the-scenes moment? Use Instagram stories or Facebook Live for real-time engagement. Don't post the same content everywhere. Translate your message into each platform's language. That's how you connect instead of just appearing. Real-world example. When NASA landed Perseverance on Mars in 2021, they went beyond a simple press release. They live-streamed the landing on YouTube, giving viewers a front-row seat to history. Simultaneously, they shared real-time updates on Twitter to keep the conversation lively and immediate. Behind-the-scenes stories and stunning images appeared on Instagram, engaging a more visual audience. Meanwhile, LinkedIn featured educational recaps and expert interviews, appealing to professionals and enthusiasts. One mission, multiple platforms, each delivering content tailored perfectly to its audience.